Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn computer hardware components. What is this image is representing? A computer may be divided into two major components. One is hardware components and another one is software components. During our last grade, we learned software components. Yes, the two major categories, system software and application software in our earlier grades. Yes, and in this grade 7, you are going to learn in detail the various hardware components present in a computer. So before getting to the topic, first of all you should know what is computer hardware. Computer hardware is used to describe the various physical components attached to the computer. Now you may have a question in your mind. What is physical component? Physical component in the sense, if you can see something and also you can touch and feel the same, then it is called as physical component. And here in terms of computer, we are calling those physical components as computer hardware. Touch and see the physical component is called as computer hardware. So it can be either electronic, electrical and mechanical component, and there are two major types of computer hardware based on the location of the computer hardware component. That is, sometimes the hardware component may be present inside the computer. Okay, the hardware can be either connected internally or externally to the system. So internal hardware components and external hardware components. So this is the two major types of computer hardware. And today in this session you are going to learn external computer components, external computer hardware components. External in the sense, the devices which are attached or connected to the computer externally, either through a cable or through some wireless medium, you may connect the devices to your computer. They are called as external hardware components. External hardware components are again subdivided into three categories: computer input devices, computer output devices, and at last storage devices. So these three are external devices. So first of all, input devices. So what do you mean by input device? If you want to interact with the system, definitely you have to give some input to the computer. Yes. So for giving input to the computer, we need some devices. Those are called as input devices. Do you know the popular input devices? Yes, we all used the devices and we have interact with the system, such as mouse and keyboard. Other than mouse and keyboard, we are having devices like camera to take photograph, joystick to control over the mouse pointer, and this joystick is majorly used during playing games. Mic, you are giving your voice input to your computer. Scanner is to scan the text information present in the document. Touch screen, yes, you are interacting with your computer using the touch screen. Here it is sensing the touch of your finger. USB flash drive, so using pen drive you may give some input to the computer. Still many more input devices are there as per your book. Okay, the scanner is having divided into three different types: flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, drum scanner. Flatbed scanner is to do the same work like photocopy machine. Handheld scanner, you may see the barcode reader in shopping malls to scan the product code. Okay, and drum scanner is to capture highest resolution from the image. and pen input, which is used to interact with your system either by selecting the objects or drawing directly on the screen. And magnetic ink character recognition machines, which is used to recognize magnetic ink on the documents, and OMR reader, which is used to read the contents present in the OMR sheet having marks by the pencil or pen, and this is popularly used for evaluating multiple choice test. So these are all the various devices under input devices, and we are having some output devices. Monitor, which is used to display the information on the screen. There are two types of monitors: cathode ray tube and liquid crystal display monitors. And printer, different types of printers are there, which is used to print a copy, hard copy, okay, from the soft copies. Two categories of printers: impact printers, non-impact printers. Impact printers are otherwise called as character printers, the same as the typewriting machine. Some examples are dot matrix display, daisy wheel printer, drum printer. Non-impact printers, in the sense they are a high quality printers used nowadays by all the organizations, and some examples are inkjet printers and laser printers. Similar to printer, plotter is a machine which is used to take a very good quality pictures as a printout. Okay, there are types: drum platter and flatbed platter. And projector, which is used to display the content on the large screen. And we are having speakers and headphones too. Okay, and in terms of storage devices, we are having external hard disk and internal hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray. So these all are under external hardware components. Next session we will learn internal hardware components, like, see, this is actually the internal hardware components. We will learn this in our next session. Bye.